Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, we're gonna have a 2017 Honda Civic LX. I'm gonna be showing you guys the cool standard features and functions for a 16, 17, and 18 Honda Civic LX, so you guys will be in the know as you explore the used car market. You guys have any questions, you know what to do, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys. If you guys here around me, locally in the market, here's my number. Give me a call, I'll show you guys how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Now let's go get you guys the information you need so you be in the know now. All right, so here we are right outside the 2017 Honda Civic LX. This particular color is called Cosmic Blue. I will also post some additional color options out there for the pre-owned ones down in the bottom left-hand corner if you guys are curious, all right? Now as we get towards the front of the vehicle, it's going to have a 2.0 four-cylinder non-turbo with the CVT transmission right there. I'm going to throw horsepower and torque up there for you guys to be in the know, okay? Now it's also available in a 6-speed manual transmission. Now for this time frame, it was an option to get Honda Sensing or not. The choice is yours. Unfortunately, this one does not have it. But if you do get Honda Sensing, it'd be the lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, your forward collision with road departure, going to be right there for you folks, okay? Now if you do get a 6-speed manual transmission, Honda Sensing is not an option. You can't get it with Honda Sensing, all right? So I just want to share that with you guys. I'm going to throw fuel economy up there so you guys be in the know as well, where you'd be expecting to get with the Honda Civic LX. Now we got a little bit of chrome action going on here in the front nose. You guys can clearly see. You're going to have LED daytime running lights right up here. From that point, we'll step right over here to these 16-inch capped rims. We'll get a little side profile here up to the side for you guys. Get a little bit of chrome action going on the top half of the windows. Body colored handles. Then we got a body colored side mirror, okay? Now as we're talking about the side mirror, it is a breakaway side mirror. So as you get up here, you can push it if you need to fold these in, okay? So pretty nice and easy. We have a capless gas tank, no longer $2 in cap. This one needs a little cleaning up, as you guys can see. But you know, when the car's unlocked, this is going to open and close. When the car's locked, that's going to be locked up for you folks. Now it's going to unlock the trunk here quick. You have your trunk release button right here. Just click and hold that for a few seconds. Woo, it's cold out here. Fingertips are freezing here. Here's your trunk space. Plenty of space for activities. Life happens, challenge accepted. If you need to bring that bench seat down, you can. You have the little lever right here. You're gonna have a spare tire and stuff down below with the tools you may need. Emergency funnel, just in case you have an emergency gas can with a collapsible nozzle. You don't want to get that stuck in there, do you? So there we go, that's your trunk space. We're gonna throw some measurements up there so you know exactly what you're working around with. We're gonna have a backup camera. There we are. We'll step right over here towards the back seat. Opens right up. It's gonna be cloth interior. Kind of check out the door here quick. Got a little cloth going on here. You know about power windows, pretty easy. You got some additional cubby space down below. We'll focus right back in here for this vehicle. Cloth interior. You got 3 seat belts, of course. Previous people left the all-season mats in here, so that can be kind of a bonus for you. It usually comes with carpet mats. So double check. You're gonna have your car seat buckles right up here. You got 3 of those. So yeah, that's gonna be the back right there. We're gonna pause quick, let my hands warm up, and we'll explore the front. All right, we warmed up a little bit. So here we go. Let's open up the door. Let's talk about what's on the door. You got a little silver going on for the trim work. You got your power windows going on right here. Window lock button, just in case anyone's misbehaving, playing around with the windows. You lock. You got your mirror selectors, the D-pad to adjust accordingly is right over here. So pretty nice and easy. Some additional cubby space down below, and we have already talked about the trunk release. Now, as you come right over here on the driver's side seat, it's going to be a manual seat. To raise that, you got to pump up. To lower, you got to pump down. Then you got your recline from right over here. And then your hood release is going to be right there for you folks, all right? Now, let's jump right in the vehicle so we can stay nice and warm. I have it on and running now. It's going to be a key ignition right here. Now, your steering wheel is going to be a telescope. So it's going to be all the way down over here. Simply pull that out. Then it goes in and out, up and down, so you guys can adjust as you guys see fit. Then push it right back in. Now over here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, Got some additional buttons. You got your tire pressure light, pretty much is the indirect tire pressure. If it goes off, simply get out there, double check your tire pressure, adjust it if you need to. Then you have to click and hold that button to reset it. You got your vehicle stability assist right here. You know, just in case, you know, it's kind of raining, it's snow on the ground, ice, it keeps you on the road. If you ever get, you know, stuck in snow, mud, whatever, you can turn this off. Just click and hold it. You get a nice little light right up there to let you know, hey, it's off. Click and hold it again, and there we go. We'll focus right up here on the steering wheel now. We got your cruise control right here. Simply just hit that button there. You can see when you can use your cruise control now, it's enabled. You can use it by cruise. If I select it again, it's not there. Then you can set, adjust the speeds, and cancel. Now, if you had Honda Sensing, I will put a photo right up here on the top corner so you guys can see your Honda Sensing controls from that point, all right? Over here on the left-hand side, you have hands-free for your smartphone. You can pick up, you can hang up, back out of the menu right here, use voice command. If I'm saved in your phone, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone, you know, so we can kind of talk about your car. And then you got your media controls right over here, all right? Now you can have your wipers. You're gonna have your headlights. You can have auto on and off. That's pretty nice. Let's kind of get right over here on the driver's interface. You guys talk a little more, see what's kind of going on over here. You got your gas tank right over there. You see where that red line's at right now. It's going to show you what the tank's going to be at. You got your trip. So as I hit that, you can see trip right down there on the bottom. All kinds of good information. You can see it right up there. Miles on this car. The range right now in this current tank. Trip A, trip B, what I'm getting for average fuel, oil. Everything's right there by just selecting that button, okay? You're gonna have a digital speedometer right here. You got your tachometer right up top around there. We can see that when in park clearly right there. It says it's 35 degrees outside, but I'm telling you with that wind, it's a lot colder right now. Then you got this nice little graph, as you can see. It has 0 to 80. That will fluctuate. You'll see that move up and down as you're driving, gives you a lifetime feed on your average fuel economy that you're getting for miles per gallon. So that's pretty awesome. Now you're gonna have these white bars right up here. It's gonna be a fuel efficiency backlight, okay? So when you're being fuel efficient, you're driving, these white lights will turn green as a visual confirmation or coaching saying, hey, you're doing a good job with your fuel economy. And then it goes from green to white when you're not. We have a green leaf right up here because we have an Econ. We'll come right back to that and tell you a little more about what the Econ button does. Then right over here, you gotta have your temperature gauge from that point. All right, then you can have this if you need to switch from your stuff there. There we go, switch to back. Now, let's kind of come right down over here towards the screen. Before we hit that, let's kind of touch a little bit base about the dashboard here quick so you guys see where the adjustable vents are. You got your hazard lights right here if you ever need them. Vent over there, and then of course we got one right over here for the driver to take care of you guys. Get a little warm now. All right, so if this screen ever bugs you, for your day or nighttime driving, you can adjust the brightness by just clicking this kind of button right here. You got radio options. So you have FM2, AM, FM1, so you can save up to 12 stations on the FM and then 6 stations on the AM. You got your media button right here. You have Bluetooth capabilities, USB right there. So simply, you know, with the USB, let's say you have things downloaded onto a flash drive, it's a plug and play. Those will be right down under here on this tray. You have a USB port right over there, and then you have a 12-volt plug-in on the other side right here. Now, let's say for any particular reason you're charging your phone on this tray, you can feed it right up through here. It'd be kind of pretty nice. You can pair up multiple phones. This is your on and off for the radio, volume control. Switch your different stations. Pretty nice and easy. You got your menu, just the clock, settings. Give you guys a quick little visual of what's going in here. Saving a radio station is pretty nice and easy. Let's say you find one that you like. All you have to do is click and hold. Then there's a beep and it saves it right there. So it's nice and easy. We'll come right down here towards your climate controls now. You got your fan speeds, you got your temperature. You got air circulation, front defroster, rear defroster with your different modes right here. As you can see, gives you a little visual. Then you got your air control AC right there. We'll come down to this tray again. You have a couple different drives. You got your standard park, reverse, neutral drive. Then you have a sport drive. It's going to change up the gear ratio for a little more fun throttle response, and a low gear drive for those steep hills and mountains, stuff like that. All right. When you put the vehicle into reverse, guess what pops up? Your multi-angle rear camera. It's right here. You can select the different views by hitting one or hitting this button too. So right there. So this photo down here below is going to show how the camera is going to act. A nice 180 view catches more of your blind spots. It'd be great as you're pulling out of the parking lot and stuff like that. A right behind you view is less fisheye lens, kind of, you know, a little more right behind you. And then you have a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. You have an Econ button. As you hit that Econ, as we already talked about, your green leaf comes right on. It's to let you know it's on. Now it's off, it's on. Econ's going to make you more fuel efficient. It's most effective for your highway driving. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving, all right? Now how it's going to be doing that, it's going to be sacrifice acceleration power, AC power, and electrical power up front. So on those really hot summer days, you just had to stop and think, do you want to be fuel efficient or do you want to be comfortable? That's pretty much, you know, the only thing that might prevent you to keep it on at all times. It's not as effective for the city because of the constantly stop and go traffic, all right? Now we're gonna have a whole brake right here. So let's say we're all buckled up, we got the car on and everything else. As you select this button, it'll give you a little indicator that's up there, hold brake. So every time I get to a complete stop, it holds the brake so I can take my foot off. It's great for stop and go traffic. Then you're gonna have an electrical parking brake right here. From that point, simply just pull that right up. You can see that it's on by the red right here, brake, there it is. I just smeared it on that. Now it's simply to release that, push in the brake and push that in, and then now it's deactivated. That red light won't be on up there anymore. Armrest pops right open. Nice little place I hide my quarters for my 5-year-old son. Got a little place here for the cups, a big spot here for the big gulp. So now I'm set for success out on the road. Kind of check out the cloth pattern here on the seats on the front. Glove box, deep enough, challenge accepted. Throw everything in there, the new dimension. We'll forget about it. Got a little map lights. Hey guys, thanks again for watching the video. Hopefully it was very helpful for you guys. Answer all of you guys' questions. Once again, if you guys have any other questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best. I look forward to seeing you guys at the next video, all right? Talk to you guys soon.